welcome back. Today is Sunday, so happy Sunday everyone. I just got to Ulta because I have to shoot a brand deal with TULA. They recently came out with a new line of skincare, and for this brand deal I have to go to the store, aka Ulta, to take a picture with the display, and they sent over this sweater, this baby blue sweater. It says, "I will embrace my strength, uniqueness, body, talents, vulnerability, and skin." My bestie Nika is actually doing the same brand deal, so we were like, okay, let's just go meet up, you know, take each other's pictures because we're literally in the same campaign. And then after that I'm gonna go to Pasadena because I have to drop off a couple of things to a friend, and then we'll see where the day takes us. Guys, I cannot wait to dye my hair again because my hair is grown out. You can see my roots is all grown out, and I'm just over it. I just need to dye it lighter. I mean, I will for sure do it by my birthday because obviously I want to look okay for my birthday. Look at us, matching, leaving up the matching mask. Thing one and thing two. Literally, even the Air Force ones. You could have worn white pants, bro. It's from a brand TULA. We're shooting a campaign with them at Ulta. That's why we're wearing this. I like it. Thank you. I'll just get this. And then a grande pink drink, please. Literally matching. We got our food. Long time no see, babe.
I got a supposed to be peach green tea, but they ran out of peach, so guava green tea. And a ham and Swiss panini.
Nice. And then I got chicken bacon panini and of course pink drink. Hello guys, we are in the store now. Not bad. The lighting is better here.
And better than ever. Yeah, that one and the VIDA.
There's literally no point in me smiling.
There's no, that's why I was just like,
I'm like, shoot done at Ulta. She's just dropping me off to my car,
which is literally like 100 feet away.
Like 5 feet away.
I'm 5 feet.
Yes, that's how close. Oh, we're here. I miss you, friend.
I miss us. I miss us.
Dynamic duo. Alrighty guys, my friend Nika and I finished the shoot. We just parted ways, and I just quickly changed into my Fabletics outfit because I have to shoot this today, and this is for the month of March. I look like a suburbs mom with this outfit, but like it's super cute. I'm just wearing this like pink workout jacket with a black sports bra and then a pair of capri leggings. We just shot my Fabletics. I did one in the car, and then I also did one outside. Guys, everyone had the same idea today to go take a picture in Pasadena. Oh, I'm gonna train you to start using my DSLR camera.
Thank you.
I think it's time. I think it's time we upgrade him, guys.
Bro, I want to feel like I'm an actual photographer.
Just changed to another outfit. Look, one couple taking picture, another couple over there taking picture. Hold on, let's
Ooh, what's that?
that. Okay. Oh!
Oh.
Oh, it's someone's earrings. Who is this? Elsa? Wow! She's gonna cook now. Okay guys, we're having dinner here.
I'll help you out. Here you go.
She said, I don't need your help,
I'll
bro.
take this.
That's an onion. How cute. She's so happy. What did she say? The vegetables?
She said green beans, not for me.
I'm not a frog. I had my first ever fish died.
There you go. You can go like this. You can put it right here.
So
Was
this
it
is
like kind of like that?
no, it was a shark. It was like
Rice?
ham.
There's nothing, huh?
Yeah?
Here, you can put it right
I don't know
here.
what my other one is, but it was a shark.
Close it.
Oh, it's like a
Oh, that, yeah, like
pinkish
that
one?
one, like
Yeah.
that one. Oh,
Yes.
it was blue.
Okay.
This is the best day of Farina's life.
She's playing with her.
Go like this.
Wow.
Yes.
That's how you crack an egg.
We love an omelet.
Oh, what's that?
She dripped that out.
Yum, yum, yeah. I agree.
Oh my gosh, she's cooking. What are we having for dinner?
Yum.
Yummy.
Okay, we're not done yet. Let's season our food. Shame on you for not seasoning your food, man. Is that an apple? Is
Not
that
an
tomato?
apple. Oh, she knows how to crack an egg.
Crack an egg.
Oh, are you trying to give me a hug?
What?
What? Is this her saying thank you?
I think she's embarrassed. You guys
Oh.
just
Babe, you made fun of her cooking.
I'm nice.
Oh, thank you. Are we gonna eat it together?
No, someone is playing with her. She's happy.
Yeah. She said no. Get away, bro. Look, you're scared.
You're right.
Right?
Oh, you're
She
right.
wanted the table.
Okay, I'll be up here then.
Now it's your turn. Remember last time she was scared of Farina?
We're taking turns.
Last time she was scared of Farina, I would only go to Ralph. Now she's scared of Ralph.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I think she's just used to women.
Oh, she blows on. She goes.
No, because she wants hot.
Is it hot? Ooh, it's hot.
Is it hot?
Blow on it first.
Oh, there's more. You have more here.
Oh, look, there's more.
What is this?
What is this? What is this? Orange? Orange.
Yummy.
This is literally the greatest day of my life.
I know. Flan.
Nice. Wow.
Little candy.
Candy.
Cane. Wow, she's so smart. Good job.
Look at all this traffic. We're in the middle of panoramic.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really
Hello
asking.
guys, so update, we made it to Sephora. I need to pick up a couple of different things, mainly my lip balm. I'm gonna do a quick Sephora haul. I just made a pit stop because I'm missing some of my necessities. First one that I really needed was the Smith's rosebud salve, but they didn't have the blue original one, which is usually what I taste. I mean, not taste, which is what I usually use. Let's hope that this is good. Next one I have is a new beauty blender. I got the nude one because nude be the vibes. And then I wanted to try the Inky List hyaluronic acid. This was super affordable, like $7.99, and this is just to hydrate and plump the skin. I heard a lot of great things about this one, so I was like, I'm gonna get it. Just finished our run and we ordered something at Crave, but we're waiting for it, so we're gonna stop by Trader Joe's to pick up flowers. I got dumplings and I got matcha. You guys, these are literally the Bon Diggity, and they're only $2.
Crazy.
Yum, tuna. Guys, I'm at Seafood City because I forgot my keys at home, and I just know that my dad is here. I just know that he's at Seafood City on the weekends. We got it, y'all.